Dear guys, today I'm going to teach you second part of the sixth lesson for class 8. Second part of the lesson, this is Jody's phone. As I told you in the first part, how Jody's father was beaten by rattlesnake. He killed a dog and used its liver and heart to cure himself. Jody's father, he was cured, but Fawn, that is dear baby left alone. It was helpless. No other person was there to take care or look after this baby. That's why Jody was trying to find it, trying to search. Just in this part, we are going to learn how Jody is trying to bring back the fawn, which was helpless. He wanted to care the fawn. Just you see, Jody gave himself over to thoughts of the fawn. Just he was thinking. Just Jody was thinking about the fawn, where it was. They passed. That is, went there. He said, cut to the north. Just Millville was also there with Jody, and he said him to cut to the north. Millville. It was up here that Park got beaten by the snake. This is the place. Just he wanted to show the place where, that is, his father got beaten by the snake and killed the doe, and I saw the fawn. Just he had seen the same place where they were standing. They were standing the spot where doe was killed. He said, it is not far now, but the scrub is very thick. Just when they are wandering in the forest, scrub bushes were there, dense bushes were there. They have to go ahead, that is facing bushes, scrubs, thick, and I can make it on foot. Just now they are going on foot. They are going on foot, making their way. I am afraid to leave you. Just Millville did not like to leave the boy, that is Jody, alone. Why? Because suppose you got lost or got beaten by the snake, it was the fear, that is, he did not like to lost Jody, or that is beaten by rattlesnake again. I will take care. It might take me a king. Just Jody said that I will be careful. I will be careful. Don't worry about me. He wandered and leave me off right here. Just leave me here, and I am going to search where the fawn is, where I can find the fawn. All right, but you take it easy now. You know north here, and just he wanted to tell him about direction. That is, which direction was north and which was east. He told him. There. That's all. Fine makes the bearing so long. Just that is, he was careful. He knew in which direction he was going so long, and he waited for the sound of the hooves to end just south of the hoof, that is Ghode Kakur. Just he heard some sound, then cut to the right, and he moved to the right side. Right side मुड़ गया. The scrub was still. Scrub was there also. Scrub bushes were there. Only this is only rattling of twigs. Just rattling of cracking sound of cracking twigs. टहनियों के टूटने की आवाज sounded across the silence. He wandered for an instant of fear and mistaken his direction. Just it was fear that he would not miss the direction. Then a buzzard rose in front of him. Just he saw a vulture. Vulture rose, flew in front of him and flapped into the air. And this vulture flapped into the air. Then what happened? He came into the clearing under the oaks. Oak tree was there, and he came there. And what happened there? Buzzard said, inside just carcass, dead body of doe was lying there, and vulture was there, and it was sitting there. And though they returned, their heads on their long, scrawny necks. Just he turned his head, he saw, and he tried to, that is, make him flew from there. And hissed at him. Just the vulture hissed at him, and he threw his bog at them, and he threw some bog, tahni फेंका उस पर, and it flew from there. And then he tried to find out where, and the sand on large cat prints. Just he also saw cat prints on the sand. Jodi saw there cat prints, prints of cat there on the sand. And also prints, but big cats killed fresh, and they had left the doe to the carrion birds. Just some part of the flesh of doe was left there, and eat for other birds. He parted birds which were, that is, weak or tired or old, parted the grass at the place, and just they parted the grass and go ahead, आगे बढ़ता है. And then had seen the fawn, and then he wanted to find out where the fawn was, and it did not seem possible that it was only yesterday, only just it was going on in his mind, only yesterday we left here fawn को हमने छोड़ा, and where it has gone, कहाँ चला गया. And yesterday the fawn was not there, the fawn was not there where they had left one day before. Yesterday they left there, but fawn was not there. He circled the clearing, and there was no sound, no sound, no sign, no sound, no sign. किसी तरह की आवाज नहीं, कोई चिन्ह नहीं. No sign. The buzzards crackled their wings. Just only buzzards were flapping their wings. And the spot where the fawn had emerged and dropped on all fours, studying the sand for the small footprint. Just he was trying to study the footprints. He was trying to study the footprints on the sand. The night's rain, just it rained at night. That's why it washed. The rain washed all the prints of the fawn away, all tracks except those of cat and buzzards. Only the print of buzzards and vulture and cats were there. That is footprints of fawn had washed away a day before due to rain. Rain की वजह से पद चिन्ह गायब हो चुके थे. This is the second part of this lesson. In this part, we have learned how Jody with Millville is trying to find out where the fawn is. He wanted to help the fawn. Next day, I will explain part third. Okay.